Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So someone asked me a question in the comment section yesterday and I thought, why not make a video about it? And the question was, how do I deliver my digital product after someone has requested it? Maybe they sell it, or maybe it's just a free resource like a lead magnet, for example. So I thought I would just make a video about it. So this is how you will be able to deliver your digital product to someone's email after you sell it or after they request it for free. But before I get into it, make sure you check out all of my free resources down in the description. I have 2 free sales funnels and lead gen templates that you can download. It's completely free. It's going to be the second or third link in the description. Go check that out. Also, my system in a box digital product done for you digital product. It's going to be the first link in the description. It's only $9 to get started with. Now let's get right into the video. So the first thing, of course, is to make sure that you have a System.io account. If you don't have a System.io account, you're going to need at least a basic plan, and that's going to be in the description as well. Make sure you use it. It's an affiliate link that helps the channel a lot. So once you have created that account, you will be able to build your sales funnels. You'll be able to create sales pages, lead gen pages, and be able to collect emails. Now let's say someone has requested a free resource. For example, this is my landing page that I've built on System.io. You can get access to this. It's completely free. It's going to be in the description. And let's say they enroll in this course for $47, right? So once they enroll in it, of course, they're going to be added to your backend. But in the process of creating this lead gen or this sales page, and this is the page right here, by the way. So this is what it's going to look like on the back end. If you view the page, if you try to edit the page, as you can see here, it's the same as what I've just showed you. This is the editable version and this is the finished version. So what you want to do here is to go back to the dashboard where you'll be able to see everything. And what you want to create here is to create an automation rule. An automation rule allows you to create a set of rules that allows you to carry out certain actions, maybe add tags, send emails, enroll into a campaign, and things of that sort. So what you want to do next is to go to an automation rule and click on add a rule. It's going to be right here at the bottom of the page. So once you click on add a rule, it's going to pop up on the screen right here for you to add a trigger. A trigger is sort of like a precursor to an action, meaning if this happens, then I want that to happen. So this is what we want this rule to act based on. So when I click on funnel step from subscribed, meaning the point at which they subscribe to that form, then we're going to click on edit automation rule. So that is the precursor, that is the anchor to the rule. If they do this, then this is what we want to happen. So now we've added the precursor, which is the add step, which is to subscribe to that form. And what we want to do next is to add an action. What do we want to happen? What action do we want to take when someone subscribes to that form? So what we want to do is add action, and there's a bunch of things that you can do here. Number one is to subscribe them to a campaign. A campaign is an email automation that you set up to go out once someone signs up to your form or they request a free lead magnet. It could be anything, but a campaign is always ongoing. It's an automated email. One, we want to unsubscribe them from a campaign. 3, we can add a tag. We can remove a tag. We can send them an email. We can send them an email to a specific email address. We can enroll them in a course. We can revoke access to a course. We can send a webhook, grant access to a community, revoke access to a community, enroll in a course bundle, revoke access to a course bundle. But what I want you to do here is to add a tag, because you always want to make sure that you're adding a tag to everyone who enrolls in a course, who buys a course, so that way you're able to segregate the buyers from the non-buyers, and you know exactly every single person, every single contact in your email list, you know exactly where they've come from. That is the sole purpose of a tag, and it's really useful so that when you're marketing, when you're reaching out, you're not sending email that is meant for one group of audience, you're sending it to another group of audience. So what I want you to do here is to add a tag when someone subscribes to a form or when they purchase a product. Now, we can either create a new tag or we can add them to an existing tag. So let's say you've already created a tag before, which you can find right here. When you go to contacts, you go to tags, you'll be able to create a new tag, or you can simply come here. I have a bunch of tags here that I've created, and you can add them to an existing tag. So let's say I want to add them to a system in a box tag. That is what I want to associate the contact with. I just add that and boom, I save the rule. So that is step 1. you want to make sure that you're adding them to a tag. So we've done that. So the second step I wanted to do is to create an automation, is to create an email automation, which is a campaign. Because if it's a course, then once they subscribe to that course, when they buy that course, they will be enrolled automatically and they will be prompted to create an account. But if it's an ebook, or if it's a lead magnet, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you're delivering that in an email, because one, the first email that they receive, they're likely to open. And that means that the subsequent emails that they receive, it is likely to go into their inbox. So you avoid having your emails getting sent to promotions or to spam. So you want to make sure that whatever resource you're delivering to them, it's going straight to the inbox. You want to send it as an email and make sure you tell them to go check their inbox and to open it. So that way subsequent emails, it goes into the right place. So let's go to emails and let's go to campaigns. This is where you create an automated campaign. I have a bunch of campaigns here. I'm gonna attempt to create a new one. This is how you create a campaign. I've created a video in the past. I'm gonna have it right here in the cards if you want to go watch that. But let's do it for for the sake of this video. So let's give it a create and let's name our campaign. I'm gonna name it test campaign. And we save that. So inside of this test campaign is where we're going to create an email. So this email will go out automatically as soon as someone signs up to a form. Now let's create an email. Let's say your free resource is here. Now this is your email that goes out when someone signs up for a form. It's coming from me and this is my email. Let's click on save. That is your subject line. Want to make it something that is something that is catchy. Now you want to write a preview. A preview is what comes after the subject line. If you open your email on your mobile phone, you will see the subject line, then the text that is under the subject line. It's part of the body, but it's under the subject line. Free templates inside. Okay, so you want to make sure you do your damnedest to make people open that first email. I'm gonna say hello, here's your free template. Now this is just an example, okay? This is not, I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Now this email is going to go out every single time that someone signs up. I'm going to save and test the email. So it's going to go to my email and I'm going to show you exactly right here when it comes in. Let's hope it works. Boom, I think it's coming right there. See? Oops, do you see it? That's it right there. That is the test email. It's coming to my phone. It's coming from, this is the subject, the email is coming from, the subject line, the email, and the body of the email. So that is what it looks like. So when someone signs up to that form and they enrolled into this campaign, they easily get that email. Now let's go to the final step, step 4. So now that we've created this campaign, I'm going to activate it. So you click on activate and it's going to ask you, when do you want to send this email? What delay do you want to have before you send it? Now the delay is when someone signs up to this form and you want to send out this email, how long should I wait until this email goes out? You want to do immediately since it's a free resource. But if you're doing, say you have a 5-day email sequence for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then you want to have a 1-day delay between each of the emails. That's in a different category. Again, go and watch that video, how to create email campaigns. You will find every detail you need. Now let's activate that. So the last step is to go back to that funnel. Okay, we want to go back to the funnel and we want to set up an automation to enroll them into that campaign. So let's go to 7-day program. That's the funnel we're looking for. Now let's go back to automation rule. So let's go to the rule that we created previously. Funnel step subscribed. When someone subscribes to that form, what do we want to happen? One, we want to add them to it. We want to add a tag, system in the box. We've done that. And we want to add a separate action. And that is to subscribe to a campaign. Now we want to select the campaign that we just created like 2 minutes ago, and that is test campaign right here. So 2 things are going to happen when someone signs up to your form to request a lead magnet or a free resource. You're going to add a tag and you're going to subscribe them to a campaign. So inside that campaign that we just created, you're going to have every detail about your free resource, the link to the PDF file, to the free resource, to everything that you're sending them. You're going to have it in that email. So let's go back to that email and see. So let's go to test campaign. Let's go to email, and this is it right here. So in this email, you can say, here's the link to your free template. And when you highlight that, you click on the link icon right here, then here you will be able to add a link. So when they click on this link right here, it takes them to the link that you have added. It could be a free PDF, it could be a free resource, whatever it is. So they will be able to download it. So this is how you deliver your free resource. This is how you deliver your courses, anything it is, lead magnets, in 4 simple steps. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. My name is Daniel, and don't forget to check out all the resources I have in the description down below. My system in the box, done for you, a digital product business, my 8-course PLR bundle, which you cannot get anywhere else except if you click the link down below. And you can check out my free templates, 2 free templates, sales funnel and a lead gen funnel. You can find that in the link in the description. Again, I'm Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.